Your local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. You'll notice that we are seeing maybe a couple of little clouds up towards the highlands, maybe a couple more clouds a little further south of Highway 460 towards parts of Southside and the New River Valley. Outside of that, though, we are dry and we're going to stay dry here all night long. Now let's talk Wednesday. Wednesday's going to have a little more cloud cover than what we have outside today, okay? Still going to see some sunshine, mix of sun and clouds in the forecast for us on Wednesday. Notice as we head into Wednesday afternoon, at about 1, 2 o'clock, may start to see just a couple of green specks showing up here on the radar, an indicator that a few thunder showers cannot be ruled out for us as we head into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. I would say by 9, 10 o'clock Wednesday evening, any isolated activity that we have will go away. Okay, so from about 1 p.m. through about 9 p.m. tomorrow, especially towards the Blue Ridge and points west, that is where we could have a stray thunder shower or two. So we look ahead into Thursday. Thursday's going to start, I think, with skies partly cloudy. Then by Thursday afternoon, I think we're going to break out in more sunshine. I think Thursday is dry. We have a few more thunder showers to contend with as we head into Friday. So let's talk Salem Fair. Of course, it starts tomorrow. And if you're heading to the fair, again, between about, say, the time the fair opens through about maybe 8, 9 o'clock, that's when we could have a stray shower or thunder shower roll across the fairgrounds, okay? Otherwise, you're just looking at skies partly cloudy. Temperatures at 4 in the middle 80s, falling into the mid to upper 70s by around 10. A better chance for rain and thunderstorms will come into play Saturday, Sunday, even into the 4th of July, okay? The reason for that is we're going to have a front pretty much situated right overhead, and that front is going to be very slow to move. It's going to be with us, I think, for about 2 to 3 days, and because it's going to be with us over the holiday weekend, don't cancel any outdoor plans, but keep your eye to the sky, especially after lunchtime all 3 days. We're going to have typical heat and humidity around, temperatures roughly 87 to 92, and I will tell you that your July 4th forecast is completely dependent upon where this front is located. Right now, it looks like it's going to be close enough where it's going to bring us a chance for some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, but the hope is through time, maybe the computer models and maybe the front itself will listen to the computer models and push it a little further down to the south where we will be able to lower that chance for rain. I do want to take you into the tropics. Here's the latest on potential tropical cyclone number 2, winds of 40 miles per hour, moving west to 24, anticipating it becoming a tropical storm at some point in time pretty soon. It's going to go over to the northern tip of South America and then head towards Central America, making landfall near Nicaragua or Guatemala as a Category 1 hurricane and then fall apart over the higher elevations of Central America. No impact whatsoever here locally. 80 right now Wytheville, also in Blacksburg, 83 Roanoke and Lynchburg, 78 in Martinsville. Another cool, comfortable night. Overnight lows in the 50s and lower 60s. Your 3-day zone-by-zone forecast showing highs in the mid to upper 80s for the NRV for the next 3 days. Highlands, it looks like you're going to have a better chance for at least a couple of thunder showers as we head into tomorrow and then again on Friday. Southside, you're in the lower 90s Thursday and Friday. For Lynchburg, relatively dry here for the next 3 days. Chance rain goes up Saturday through Monday, maybe even lasting into Tuesday of next week. And across the Roanoke Valley, lower 90s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, mid to upper 80s Sunday through Tuesday. So again, looking at the holiday weekend, don't cancel any outdoor plans, don't cancel your cookout, don't cancel your golf outing, but after lunchtime, each of those 3 days, keep your eye to the sky. Have your local weather authority app in the palm of your hand. It's the best tool to have if you're out and about wondering, should I stay or should I go?
So when it's scattered showers like that, you know that they're all going to be in the region, but where each one is going to be is pretty much impossible.
Can't tell just yet.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, but that's why you need the app. Check the radar and see what's going on.
You got it.
All right, thanks a bunch.
My pleasure.